It is time for math. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. Today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is the 72nd day of school. The number you see is 72. We have 7 tens and 2 ones. 70 plus 2 equals 72. Or I could say 10 plus 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 2 equals 72. I have 7 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, and 2 ones. Found another doubles song. I know we did a doubles rap and a doubles poem, found a doubles song. It goes to the tune of The Farmer and the Doe. The farmer and the doe, the farmer and the doe, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer and the doe. 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 and 2 is 4, 3 and 3 is 6, so let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 6 is 12, so let's start again. 1 and 1 is 2, and 2 and 2 is 4, 3 and 3 is 6, now let's try some more. 4 and 4 is 8, and 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 6 is 12, and now we've reached the end. Something a little bit different. Now, next to it, you see doubles facts, and these doubles facts, thought this was kind of a neat way to put it. You have 2 shoes, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Cats, they have 2 or 4 legs. They have 2 in the front and 2 in the back, so we say 2 plus 2 equals 4. The ladybug has 3 dots on each side, so we say 3 plus 3 equals 6, so it's a ladybug fact. Spiders, 4 legs on each side, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Gloves, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Dozen eggs, right? If I have a container full of eggs, 12 eggs, I have 6 on one side and 6 on the other. So it's dozen eggs fact. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Days fact, 7 days in a week, so 2 weeks would be 7 plus 7 equals 14. Crayon facts, there's 16 crayons in a box. You have a row of 8 and a row of 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Domino fact, 9 plus 9 equals 18. And the last one, hands and feet, right? 10 plus 10 equals 20. Our equation for today, because today is January 6th, our equation is to find the missing number was here. This was the missing number, so 3 plus blank equals 6. We have 6 at the top, and you know that's our doubles fact. 3 plus 3 equals 6. I could find that by saying 6 minus 3 equals 3. I had 3 cookies. My mom gave me 3 more. Now I have 6 cookies. For the month of January, we are going to be talking about those doubles and using those doubles to solve other problems. We use them to find plus 1 or minus 1. Our fact from yesterday, we had 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now, if I turn it around, I do a subtraction sentence, I could say 9 minus 5 equals 4. You see all the same numbers from the fact family. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3. All the same numbers. If I have 2 plus 3 equals 5, I could say 5, take away the 3. What's left over? You got it. It's the 2 dots. I have 1 dot plus 2 dots equals 3. If I have 3 dots and I take away these 2, what's left? You got it. It's 1. So I can use that strategy to help me add and subtract. Alrighty, so we have some numbers here. And in the middle, we're putting a greater than, a less than, or an equal sign. And if you take a look, we started with the number 89. And we know that 89 is greater than 52. 89 is greater than 52. Our next one that we're supposed to solve is 19 and 32. And we know that 19 is less than 32. Our next one, we have 10 on one side of the equation, and we have 5 plus 5 on the other side of the equation. So we know that in between 10 and 5 plus 5, we need an equal sign. Our next one is 36 and 63. You're right, 36 is less than 63. And I know this is right because the alligator mouth is open to the greater number. 36 is less than 63. Last but not least, we have 101 and 99, and 101 is greater than 99. We have that alligator mouth open to the greater number. And if we take a look at our grid here, we need to make sure we spin the spinner and put a coin on our graph here. And my graph is not popping up. I am not sure why my graph isn't coming up. Well, we'll have to fix it later. I had it up just before we started here. Not sure why it's not working. Let's try it this way. Let's see if we can get it to work this way. There it is. So we need to spin the spinner and add our coins to it. Oop. And we are going to add 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lots of pennies on our graph, isn't there? Okay, we're going to work on 2 things today, and these 2 things are going to be your assignment. We're going to talk about adding and figuring out our missing numbers, our missing add-ins when we're talking about 10. The first one says 3 plus what number gives me 10? Well, if I cover up 3 of these boxes, it's going to tell me what number plus 3 gets me to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it. And then I'll type a 7 in the box. Next one says 1. So if I cover up just 1, then I'm going to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 goes in the box. So you're going to go through and make sure you cover up the number, and then you will find the missing added. Same thing with the green. If I cover up the number, then I can find the missing addend. Okay? And the other thing I have for you is your gingerbread graph that you worked on yesterday for your gingerbread house. And you're going to answer some questions. How many candy canes? You're going to count them up on the graph and write the number in the box. How many hearts? Count them up, write the number in the box. How many mints and oranges? 7 plus 3. I helped you out on this one. Next one you have to do yourself. How many candy canes and oranges? And you are typing in the information about your graph. So those are your 2 jobs today. Okay, are adding and getting to 10. Adding and getting to 10, and then making your answers for your gingerbread graph. Okay, friends, have a great day.